This iPhone 11 came from another repair shop with a problem of restarting on the Apple logo. First, we connected the phone to a DC power supply for diagnosis. The phone kept restarting, and we noticed a current leakage. Next, we inspected the logic board under the microscope. As you can see, someone had already attempted to repair the logic board. However, we discovered several shorted lines, which were likely causing the current leakage. We found a short circuit between capacitors C5110 and C5101. After removing the short and cleaning the area, we tested the board again. The phone powered on normally and the current leakage was gone. But the phone was still not charging. So we moved to the second stage of the repair. We replaced the USB Hydra IC, which is responsible for the charging function. First, we removed the damaged IC and carefully cleaned the pads on the board. Then we installed a replacement IC from a donor board. After allowing the motherboard to cool down, we reassembled the phone. Finally, we tested the device. The phone is charging normally now. Repair successful.